Hey traders, Cardano is down about 4% in the last 24 hours, facing selling pressure and technical weakness. It's now in oversold territory, pointing to a bearish short-term outlook. Cardano trading signals are in, solid targets just dropped. Check our Patreon page, link in the description and comments. Watch our full price analysis in the video, don't forget to comment and share. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.